Here I've got MEIZU M8 Lite, and let me show you how to add a fingerprint on the following device. So at first you have to open the settings, then find and select fingerprint, password and security, and then go to fingerprint identification. And now you have to enter some PIN code, which will be the backup for your fingerprint. So let me enter 1234 and then tap on use it. You can also enter this kind of like word password if you want to, but I will cancel it. So let me go back to this 1234 and then tap on continue. Now you have to re-enter the password to confirm. And now you have to place your finger on the sensor. The sensor is located on the back cover of your phone right here, so just keep tapping like that. You will feel the vibration, and if you will take a look at the home screen, you will see the progress. So just keep tapping until your fingerprint is fully added. So lift your finger up and then put it on the sensor. Move it slightly so it can scan the whole fingerprint. And as you can see, it has been done. Tap on OK to finish the whole process, and now you can smoothly unlock your phone with this fingerprint on only. Smoothly tap the fingerprint sensor and it should be unlocked. This is it. But if you will give your phone to somebody, he or she will be able to unlock your phone with this backup PIN code. So 1234, and that's it. So this is it. This is how you can protect your phone. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.